If you think you're struggling right now, just give it a few more months. I was at the gas station the other day putting gas, and I looked up and I saw how much right now the fuel price is. And I was like, oh my God. I usually don't even look because I got to put gas. So might as well just don't look and get aggravated. The one thing that it was like scary to me was heating oil prices. Winter is over for us here in Alaska. It is over. Without heating oil here in the interior, people will not survive. $5.75 a gallon of heating oil. I have never seen that price here. Never. Imagine that you have 100 gallons. That is $575. 300 gallons, add it up. 400 gallons, add it up. It is not uncommon for folks here to go over 500 gallons in a season. If it is anything like this past winter, people are going to die. People are going to freeze to death in their houses because they won't be able to afford the heating oil. Guys, we are fixing to see poverty like never before. Prices keep going up. There is no relief. None whatsoever. We got into a location that we should have never been in. We continuously go into other countries to fight that we have no business fighting with to make matters worse. I have seen how they're handling this new cousin of the COVID-19. I'm just going to say the cousin because it is coming our way. They release people. Just go. Just go. Go to whatever country it is and they spread everything. By the end of the summer, November, December, you will see. I'm telling you this right now, and I'm going to mark it. You will see prices of gas skyrocketing like never before. You will see lockdowns. You will see mandates of masks again. You will see mandates of other juicy juice that they're going to ask you to do. You will see closing of businesses. They know how much they can push. They know how much you will take. Without fertilizer that we don't have, with fuel prices the way they are, with the COVID cousin that is going to spread like wildfire, it will spread. I think they're doing it on purpose, to tell you the truth. I think they are doing it on purpose. We're going to see a 2.0. And this one is not going to be like the common cold that we dealt with. This one, you will see people dropping like flies. And people are going to get scared. And prices are going to go higher. Because people are going to get desperate. And a can of Spam is going to go like for whatever they want. Because they closed the factories. I mean, we're still dealing with the repercussions that we did. Guys, you guys remember all of this. The segregation that we needed to suffer. Well, we didn't need it to suffer. They made us suffer because we got segregated. We got shame, publicly shame. And here we are again. I'm telling y'all, this is, I told you at the very beginning of this year that this was going to be a year of hell. And it's shaping to be. It is shaping to be one of the worst years that I have ever experienced. This is bad. Weather is bad. Food prices keep going up. I don't know how people can live nowadays. I have my potato seeds ready to go in the ground, and I can't because I still have snow. So if I start gardening right now and I get a frost, I lose everything. So I have to wait. I mean, my potato have shoots this long already, but I have to wait because this past winter was horrible. And you think that we are going to be better off? We are going in we are down the spiral. I mean, I thought we were circling the drain. No. We are going down. and we going down 120 miles an hour. Guys, nothing that I'm seeing is positive. Nothing. Every time the tax person comes into your property, you have to pray whether or not you're going to be able to pay your taxes. I mean, people are losing their homes because they just don't have anything else to give, and they want more. And they want more. Because as much as you think that you can get more, they think that if they squeeze you a little bit more, you may have a little drop left. So they are going to take whatever they can from you. They don't care. Right now, they don't care. Well, they never did care. But they don't care if you're going hungry. They don't care if you have enough money to pay for your heating oil to keep yourself warm during winter. They don't care if your property taxes go up. No, they want your property taxes to go up because there will be somebody else out there that the banks are going to give them money and they will pay them. They will pay them whatever taxes they want. We are going into poverty, all of us, like never before. The middle class is almost gone. You're either here, the top tier, rich, or you here. We the people most of us are here. I don't know about y'all, but I think the struggling that we are suffering has come to a point that we can't handle it anymore. Let me know if you have been able to keep up with inflation. Let me know. And if your area, your fuel prices have gone down. Let me know if food prices in your area are lower than 6 months ago. Let me know down in the comment section below, because in my opinion, and based on what I'm seeing, we will see poverty like we have never seen before. With that being said, again, comment down in the comment section below and let us know. Let's share with everyone how things are in your area, because in my area, really, it's not looking good. So let me know in your area how things are looking. Thank you all for being here today, and I hope to see you on the next one.